Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Truck Creation Designs. I am coming to you, ladies and gentlemen, today with some new designs that I have created. Some of these designs are not new. Some of these are new, some of them are old, some of them I've had for a while, and I've just decided to show you all what I have. I'm going to start off by showing you my first pair of earrings. You may have seen me do a DIY on these, but I call these my balloon earrings. And I call them my balloon earrings because they're like balloons up at the top, pretty much. These earrings are for that special woman that, want to go out, that don't want to have something too big. A lot of times we as women, depending on what type of affair we're going to, we don't want to have an earring too big. So this is pretty much a earring where you can dress up or you can dress it down. So I call these earrings my balloon earrings, okay? So that's my first pair. And these earrings are not in my shop, ladies and gentlemen. The next pair of earrings is, I did a class on this technique on how to create these earrings in a class. But the design was a little different than this design right here. These earrings, y'all, you can dress up, or pretty much you can just, to me, these are like party earrings. I wouldn't say that these are the ones that you can dress up with, but if you have something that would fit it because they're silver, they would make a great statement piece, because you don't find this rarely. I've never seen anything made like this or created like this, so it's pretty much a statement piece of a statement pair of earrings. Okay, so this is number 2, and these are not in my shop as well. So none of the earrings that I'm showing you all are in my shop. I'm gonna go to number 3, and that's these right here. When I was making and creating these, I'm gonna say I pretty much fell in love with them because they're different. They're so different, and you can do anything with wire. Like literally, when I say anything, you can do anything with wire. So this is number 3. Once again, I came up with this design right here. I love, love, love these. Love all my earrings, but I love these. And these are they're just different. They're different. This is more of these are not small earrings. These earrings are for the diva. I'm gonna say they're diva earrings. And these are earrings where you can dress them up or dress them down. If you're going out, you're going somewhere to eat, or you're going to a party, any type of event, I believe you can really wear these too. Okay, so this is item number 4. Item number 5, I call these my butterflies. And I have a reason for calling them my butterflies because of because of the design itself. And it just, to me, remind me, the way that they're made, it remind me of like some wings from a butterfly. So I call these my butterflies. And these are not in my shop either. Yeah, they're not in my shop. And so, y'all, this concludes my Tuesday show and tell, considering the fact that I only had 5 pair of earrings to show you all. So I want to thank you all for watching. I greatly appreciate you all clicking onto this video and taking the time out to watch and support my channel. I want to thank y'all so very much. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day and enjoy the rest of your week. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.